Let's make aromatic orange cinnamon tea. As the holiday season approaches, indulge in the warm and comforting flavors of this festive tea blend. Savor the zesty tanginess of orange, the warm sweetness of cinnamon, and the earthy aroma of rosemary, all coming together to create a truly delightful and rejuvenating beverage. Ingredients. To make this aromatic tea, you'll need 1 orange, sliced, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 sprig of rosemary, 2 cups of water, pomegranate seeds, one teaspoon dried roselle flour. Place the orange slices, cinnamon sticks, rosemary sprig, and pomegranate seeds in a pot. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes and transfer the mixture in a teapot. Benefits. This tea blend offers a variety of health benefits. Boosts immunity. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system and fight off colds and infections. Improves heart health. Cinnamon may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, promoting heart health. Antioxidant powerhouse. Rosemary is packed with antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Aids digestion. Pomegranate is a good source of fiber, which can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. Calming effect. Roselle flower has a calming effect on the nervous system, making it a great tea to enjoy before bedtime. Strain the tea into cups and sweeten with honey or maple syrup to taste. Garnish with a fresh orange slice or a sprig of rosemary for a festive touch. For a stronger flavor, increase the steeping time or add more cinnamon sticks or rosemary. Enjoy this tea hot or cold with a cinnamon bread or any bread as you like. Indulge in the warmth and comfort of this delicious and healthy tea blend this holiday season and beyond. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming recipe ideas. Thank you for watching.